What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you looking for a cover for your Roku remote? Well, I hope so, because otherwise this video is not going to be very valuable to you. Listen, this is my Roku remote. It's kind of that standard enhanced remote. Enhanced, I mean, because it has volume controls and mute right there to control your TV. I can even power it on. So this is what comes with that enhanced Roku, but this one is for TCL TV, which I think is exactly the same. Now, that means that the case for this is a little different than some of the other Roku remotes, and I got this one from SIKAI. It's a U1 silicone case. Don't confuse this with the U2 or the U3. Don't know if there are actually any of those, but it does come in a variety of colors. Comes with a little very neon green lanyard here, kind of like paracord. I'm not sure where it attaches, to be really honest. Oh, there, right there. So there is a little pass through. I can put this through and put that on, but I don't think I really need that. You can see here it's all silicone, rolled edge right there, molded in buttons, and infrared blaster hole right there. So I'm just gonna put this on because I think it should be super simple to throw this in. But this cover also has a special skill, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But so you can see it's a nice, good fit, hugs the remote, buttons there, clicking, no problem. And then I can get a nice grip on it. It's a little slick. I mean, the back here is textured. It's kind of like sandpaper, but it feels a little like gritty. And maybe with some time it'll get more grippy. But it kind of has that slick silicone feel. But the really nice thing about this is that I don't have to worry so much about dropping this thing, breaking, you know, the cover popping off. A little fuzz up there. And like I said, you can get in a color that you really like. Now, I got it in this yellow green color because I believe it glows in the dark. So let's shine this in the light and see what it does. All right, wanted to find a darkened room to try it out, and look at this. It is absolutely glow in the dark. It's like Slimer from Ghostbusters. Is that his name? Super green, very glow in the dark. You know, I just had it in the room. So the nice thing about this is you settle in to watch a movie in the dark. You're not going to have to worry about, where's the remote? Well, there it is. It's glowing. Obviously, it doesn't do anything for the buttons on the top, but man, you're going to be able to find this sucker pretty easily. Pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick up this, it's not expensive. I will put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.